Okay, phone crashed. This just went repair thing. Yeah. Oh, it's in high gear, guys. Okay, I'm not having a problem. Okay, didn't have a problem. Let's head back. Everything appears to be working all right. So this guy must have knew my back wheel was really loose from stock. The chain's still real rattly, but you know, I haven't owned a mountain bike before, and this was a cheaper mountain bike, so my phone's rattling. But it usually takes it pretty well, so. Oh! This is nice. Phone's about to die. Okay, not a problem, guys. I'm gonna whip around the garage and go to that street I was gonna do yesterday, which I'll be posting that video today. Hey. Yeah, bike works better.
A lot better?
Still clanks, but nothing, no gear strips. So, that's all I ever hear.
Well, as long as that's all you hear.
Yeah, that's perfect. This, we need to put some permanent stuff, so we'll screw it in, and that's the last time it'll ever be screwed in because it'll be stuck like that. Because it falls out. It just keeps coming out. That's why this wasn't working. The wheel, the loose wheel was, I think, why this kept coming off.
Oh, that's what
This is loose.
The wheel was loose?
The tire, yeah. So it's run better. I went over some huge bumps over there. So, what direction did you come from?
That way.
Oh, I was down there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go around one more time, then I'll come and shut this door.
Okay.
Yeah, it works better. Hopefully I don't run into an issue. Yeah. Let's go. You're out here? Perfect. It's clanking on the bottom here, but perfect.
Nice.
I didn't have a disconnect issue.
Cool. That's still tight. The thing.
Yeah, I didn't touch it.
Cool. Nice. Yeah, that's an awesome looking bike.
Yeah, I went over some pretty big bumps and nothing, so.
Free spin back. That's good. You know what?
I tested it down there. Let's try. Kind of.
A little bit of slack, but
Yeah, is that normal? Why is it so loose?
it's just
Normal?
Yeah, probably is. You don't want them too tight or they can break.
You see, it's a little,
A little bit,
but as long as there's no problems.
yeah, they're not meant to be free to go backwards.
I shouldn't be going. I don't go back anyway, but
True.
in case it happens.
Trust you ride it again.
See, Dad, look. Bumps and pretty good. It's good where it's at. Oh, I'll be back. Not an issue. And we're going too. No problems. That wind takes it. It is. No. I want to leave it where it is.
Change it up a couple and then back.
Yeah, it's pretty dang tight now, Dad. Pretty dang tight now.
That usually goes back, shifts smooth into the gear.
Whoa! Little weird, Dad. It gets like stuck. Is it too tight? You push it down and it kind of gets stuck and you got to push it back up.
Really?
Yeah, let me try and reset it here and you can test it. Okay. Here, now watch. Push it down. It worked fine that time because I'm showing you.
It's just probably gonna act up once in a while like that.
Yeah. Can I go back after I changed?
Backward.
Like backwards? That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could go uphill with this. Yeah.